What's up everybody, Johnny over at Witchcraft Whips. Today we are heading out into a mighty snowfall to retrieve a package. Easy does it, easy does it. Made it. Well, somehow we made it. I don't know if you can see outside, but it's quite windy, quite snowy. Today so far we had about 2 foot of snow, but the package is here with me. Now it's just a case of me getting home. It's a bit difficult to see the road. I know it's here somewhere. We have a saying in Sweden, vart tog vägen vägen? Basically means where did the road go? Okay then, exciting stuff. A while back I placed a custom order for a whip and finally it's here. And I'm very excited, needless to say. And this should be an 8-foot whip, 16 plait by Si Davey. An 8-footer with a 10-inch handle. And I'm very excited to see what color it's gonna be because I only specified that I wanted a dark whip. So probably it's gonna be brandy or black. I can't hold on much longer, so we're gonna get this one open. Let's see, it feels like we got the heel knot over here, so we're gonna be a bit careful. It has to be an interesting contrast for this whip to come from the warm Australia and end up in the snow. It feels like I got it open. Let's see here. I'm gonna prolong the excitement just a little bit more. I can feel a whip. Let's see if we have something else in here. Got something. Feels like there is some poppers and an extra foil. So what we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra crackers. Looks like polytwine to me. And a spare foil. Very nice red color to this one. Smells good as well. So that's that. Let's see here if you got anything else. On the decoration on the outside, it's supposed to be 1 leather whip, 1 leather thong, supposedly the foal, 4 nylon poppers, and 2 business cards. So let's see if we can find some business cards in here. Oh, here they are. I think 1, 2. Si Davey, traditional Australian kangaroo hide whips. We're gonna put those aside for now. And we're on to the whip. I'm gonna bring this one out slowly to keep the suspense. I'm very excited to see what color it's gonna be. Probably either brandy or black. Okay, we're gonna bring out the heel knot. Ah, interesting. The heel knot is brandy and black. And we got the handle. It looks to be a brandy whip. Very excited because that's what I was hoping for. Alright, I'm just gonna do this. is. Nothing's left. Man, that looks great. Slightly disformed from the shipping, I suppose. Very nice yellow cracker on here. Nice contrast. And we got a golden sticker on here. You probably can't see that, but it says Si Davey Whipmaker, finest quality whips. And his website address. It's sidaveywhips.com for anyone who's interested. First impressions, well, the plaiting looks absolutely great all over. Might be from the shellacking, but it feels actually a bit dry. So I'm probably gonna treat this to some dressing. Let's see here, we're gonna remove this. And see if we can get the whip to relax a bit. And we need to untangle the fall, of course. There we are. The fall actually feels a bit dry too. Kind of weird, but you know, it's not a big deal. I can treat that. Needless to say, it's very stiff, which is a good thing. So here we are, a brand new 8-foot Si Davey 16 plait whip. The plaiting is very smooth. Nice looking fall hitch. Looks like it ends on a 8 plait. And I'm looking forward to test crack this one. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Si Davey had it made and shipped within 2 weeks, and that's very good. But the customs held it for almost 2 weeks for whatever reason, but finally it's here. Alrighty then, time to test crack this one. I still got the original cracker on here, the yellow one. I have not yet cracked this whip, so it's gonna be interesting to see how it is. First we're gonna give it a few cracks using the original cracker, and then I'm probably gonna switch it out to one of the crackers that I prefer, the tapered Dyneema longer ones. But first a few cracks with the original cracker. There we are, a few initial light test cracks. Now we're gonna try and replace the cracker. If I can just get the nut undone. There we are. Old one comes off. And the new one is on, like so. And here we go again. And there we are. Well, initial thoughts. Well, it's quite a light whip, quite well balanced. Cracks a lot easier with the thinner and longer crackers, but most whips do that. Uh, Quite stiff, being brand new, of course. But as this whip keeps on breaking in, I think we're gonna be a good match. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this whip evolves. So take care, and I'll see you later.